Hey, it's Colin Fidgen here with Precision Chute Cleaning. If you are a manager or a property owner that has a trash chute inside your building, give us a call for a free quote. We do a phenomenal job on cleaning that dirty, nasty chute and the compactor itself, along with the compactor room. Fill out the link below or give us a call at 1-888-31-POWER for all of your trash chute cleaning needs. If you need any cleaning on your building exterior also, be it graffiti removal, building washing, exterior window cleaning, sidewalks, rust removal, any exterior cleaning needs, feel free to give us a call here, 1-888-31-POWER, precisionpowerwash.com, or click on the link below and let's get that ball rolling. We do appreciate you. Once again, Colin Fidgen here with precisionpowerwash.com.